Painting furniture is a snap with advanced furniture and cabinet paint from Benjamin Moore. Let me show you how easy it is to bring new life to that old piece. First, stop by your local paint shop for all your supplies. Protect the area you'll be working in before loading your piece. Start by giving it a good scrub with some TSP. This was in a kitchen, so I want to make sure to get rid of any grease or grime. Remove the hardware and store it in a safe place. I like to put mine in a baggie so none of the screws get lost. Using a 100 to 150 grit sanding block, scuff up your piece to help the sticks primer grip better. When you're done, wipe everything with a dry tack cloth to get off all the dust. Prime your piece using Sticks Primer, available at the paint shop, and let it dry for the recommended time. Now for the best part. Open your can of Advanced Furniture and Cabinet Paint by Benjamin Moore, and using a brush, get into the crevices and a roller to smooth out any brush strokes. Wait the recommended amount of time before giving it a second coat. After your piece is dried and cured, style it with all your goodies and enjoy your upgraded piece. Don't forget to visit the paint shop for all your painting needs.